Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to unbox an Amazon wig. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. So here is the box, and I am just going to cut this open here and see what's in here. I'm not sure which wig this is. I do know it's from Amazon because it's in an Amazon box, but I've gotten 3 wigs in the last couple of days, so I'm going to have to space these wig videos out just a little bit, so bear with me. I've got to make 2 of these videos today, and we'll just see how this goes. If my hair looks a little squished in the next video, y'all just bear with me. So here we go. Gosh, this box doesn't want to come open. But here we go. This is a wig. I think this is the wig by Kalis, but I'm not sure. Kryssma. This is a wig. The lady contacted me on Instagram and she said, hey, would you like to review this wig? And I was like, why, sure, send it on. We'll see. Let's open it up, see what's in here. This is KryssmaWig.com. Sales at KryssmaWig.com. That must be the contact information. So I'll drop a link to this wig and everything that I've used in the description box so that you guys can take a look at it. Let's see. She comes with swag. She's got a wig cap. Here is the information. It is 22-inch length, number B0404. Hair color as picture medium cap. When in doubt, wig out. I have got to save this and put this somewhere where I can see this every day. I think that's hilarious. But this is by Kryssma. And we'll just see. I've had a Kryssma wig before and actually liked it. So let's see what it is. Here's a wig care. I mean, this has got some pretty nice little stuff in it. So let's pull her out, see what she looks like. Happy hair, happy life. Amen to that, sister. Okay, let's open her up. And here she is. Oh, she's a lace front. And man, she is long. Look at that. Look at that. She's a nice long, but she is a pretty kind of a honey blonde color. So let's take this hairnet off of her. And, oh, thank goodness, but those things just want to stick to me. So let's look at the inside of the wig first. The hair feels really soft. She has got a lace front and a little bit, she's got the monofilament top. So should be able to part her anywhere you want to part up here on the front. She has a comb here at the crown. And she also has 2 combs on the side plus one in the back. And the back, my goodness, the back has some lace on it. So I've never seen that before on a wig. So that may be a wig that you can wear, that you can actually wear up. See that? I'm going to play with that just a little bit. But there that is. Now it's got the little adjustable straps on the side like most of these wig caps. But it does have a closed cap. So give me just a minute. I'll come back. I'll have this wig on my head. There she is. Okay, so here she is right out of the box with the lace frontal. Let me turn around so you guys can see. She is really long. I'm going to stand up, and she is way, way down to my waist. I mean, she's really a long wig. I am probably going to cut this wig. This is just a little much hair for me. I'll probably end up cutting her, maybe to about right here. But gosh, I really do like the color and I love the feel of the hair. The hair is very soft. I brushed it just a little bit because long hair, synthetic hair kind of tends to tangle just a bit. But gosh, I really love her. I want you all to take a really good look at this lace front. Now, I have on a wig cap and and a wig grip. So you can see it just a little bit right here, but I'm going to go in and adjust that down and try to part it over here on the side a little bit, because I've got on actually my wig grip that has the lace part. So should be able to part this wig because the lace does go all the way back to a monofilament top, so should be able to part it a little bit on the other side. But let me style her just a bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am back with this wig. Now, let me say right off the bat, I want to show you the hairline right here. This wig is designed to be worn either back or with baby hairs. These are baby hairs. I have never had a wig with baby hairs. I've seen a ton of videos about them, and they're cute. I like them, but gosh, I didn't know what to do with it. I just was kind of like, okay, so what do I do here? So I went back in my bathroom, took my scissors out, and just kind of trimmed those baby hairs around. Now, let me tell you something else I did, and you guys might want to do this to the wig too. I did thin the wig out just a little bit right here around my face because there's a lot of hair here. And this wig also, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this on the video, but in the back here, and I'm going to try to get this where you guys can see it, there is lace. So you can actually take this and glue it down. And you could wear this in an updo if you wanted to. So let me do a little something else to the wig, and I'll be right back. Now, if you wanted to do something like a little top knot like that with this wig, you sure could. Let me flip around, let you all see this from all sides. Let me style it again. I'll be right back. Okay, so here she is with a headband and just fluffed just a little bit with the baby hairs. Those baby hairs have been a real learning curve for me, folks. That's not something that I am used to, and I am so thankful for the opportunity to actually play with the wig that had those. You can see by the hairline that this was actually made to be worn with baby hairs, because there's a little bit of a separation between, and that's not really the right word, but it looks like it's pre-plucked to me. So that may be something that would be a benefit to someone who actually loves the baby hair look. And you know, the more I look at this, the more I really like that look. So let me turn around one more time. Let me let you see this look. I'm going to try one more thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've done now is I've taken a couple of little bobby pins, and I've got some little bobby pins with rhinestones in it, and I've just got this clip down right here on the sides just to kind of see what that looks like. Now, right out of the box, this wig is just a cool little wig. She feels good. I really like the cap. The cap is a larger cap, so if you have a petite head, you're probably going to have to make some adjustments to this wig, because this wig does have, it's a medium-sized cap, so it probably would fit an average head. But I'm going to tell you, my head is petite, and it's big. The wig is larger. Now, another thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to glue down this lace frontal all the way around down here to your ears, because it extends all the way down. Now, you can see that right there. I don't have it glued down because I wanted to show you guys that. So that's something that you're going to want to do, is make sure that that's all glued down, and glue it down in the back, or at least adhere it with the combs that come sewn into the wig. But for the price, you know, this is a good wig. I actually like this wig. Now, would I probably wear it with all this hair and everything? I probably would have it. I'll probably have about that much cut off this wig, because I have several long blonde wigs already for me to wear. And I like this, but I do like this one probably just as good, or maybe even better than some of the ones I already have. But I do feel like this is just too much hair for me. But I do think that for what it is, for the price, I would give this wig, for the price and for it being an inexpensive wig, I'd give it 5 stars. I think it hits on everything that a wearer of an inexpensive wig would want. It's got a lace front, it's got a monofilament top, it's got the baby hairs, it's got the lace in the back, it's got the combs already sewn into the side, it's got a closure cap. I mean, the hair feels nice and soft. I think this is a hit from Kryssma. I really, really do. I like the wig. And I do like the way that you can style it. You can kind of fluff it out and do all kinds of stuff. And I feel kind of like Lady Godiva. I think I need to go get a horse. You guys have a great day today. Visit my website and visit my Shopify store and my Amazon store. So I'll drop a link down to everything in the description box, and I will drop a link to this wig for sure because I would recommend this wig. So I really like it. I like the hair. I'll be playing with this all afternoon. I think I'm going to go back in there maybe, I don't know. I've got 2 more videos to make. And I might try to glue this down a little bit later on this evening and see how that does. So you guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Maranatha.